Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize tables row in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document with table. Now you can see here are my document with table. Now I resize table row in this table. At first, you have to select a table row. Right to drag on your mouse, then go your mouse pointer on bottom of the selected row. Now you can see here are a icon like this. Now drag these icons to bottom of this table. Now you can see I resize tables row in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.